Good morning everyone, and in today's video, Oppo Reno 10 Pro 5G. It's a huge box, so probably a lot of accessories inside. Only one seal. Well, are we going to have a case? Whoa, there's no case? SIM card tool and manuals. That's bizarre. Device itself. Ultra clear portrait system, 32 megapixel telephoto portrait camera, 80 watts supercharging and 120 Hz hard refresh rate. Screen. What else do we have in the box? And in the box, 80 watt charger, USB Type A, and a cable for USB Type A to C. There's no case included. Well, unfortunately. Okay, let's maybe slide it out. There you go. Very cool looking back of the device. It's shiny. Well, very shiny. AI logo on the camera. Okay, what buttons do we have? On the right, power button and volume buttons. On the right. At the top, ear blast and microphone. And on the left, there's basically nothing. And on the bottom, SIM card tray, a microphone, USB Type-C, and a speaker. AI photos. Okay, let's turn it on. And there it is. And then it has a beautiful screen, which you can shuffle with a different wallpaper, which is pretty nice. A fingerprint sensor at the bottom. Bam! How quick that was. Very quick. Beautiful screen. 120 Hz screen. How many apps do we have pre-installed? That is the question. I have a feeling there's a lot, and it is a lot of apps. This is all pre-installed. Of course, you can uninstall them. That's no problem. Whoa, a lot of apps. Let's go to the settings. About the device. And you can see 4600 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 778, 12 GB of RAM, which could be extended. Camera, because this is most important in this smartphone. Wow, what a clear image. Whoa, amazing. You can shoot high 50 megapixel pictures. Of course, portrait mode, because this smartphone is designed for what? There you go. Focus, please. AI portrait cam. That's it's designed for. So let's shoot some portraits. Whoa. Bam. And there you go. There you go. Okay, AI. Whoa, everything is a beautiful bokeh effect. Very nice selfie. It struggled a little bit with the camera, but it is what it is. But I think the front-facing camera is not the case. You have to use a main lens with wide angle and shoot with a volume button down and pressing the... There you go, and another one. There you go, and another one. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, let's see them. Oh shit. Selfie time, it came out very, very nice, and I'm not talking about the person because it's a fat old bastard, but the quality itself, it's really, really good. Well, I didn't know that I have some dirty t-shirt, so watch out, it will show everything. This is AI high quality pictures. You have to be prepared for them. I wasn't, so dirty t-shirt, wow. Wow, very nice. Okay, maybe a little bit of landscape, because selfie is not everything. Also pretty good. Very wide angle, if you wanted to. Telephoto. Zooming action. Okay, bear in mind, this is just an unboxing video. The whole thing, the whole review coming soon. Okay. Quick test of the built-in speakers. And another song for security reasons. Okay, very nice built-in speakers. Maybe they are not the cleanest in the world, but come on, this is not the most expensive smartphone in the world. In this price range, it's really good. Wow, what a selfie experience. If you're in the market for great selfies, if you're an Instagram model, maybe, how do you call this site? OnlyFans model. Oh, also, that wide angle will give you that wide, well, more money for you. That's all I have. Just unboxing video. Full review coming soon. What a great looking device. Shiny device.